This recipe holds generations of love.
What are we making today, Mama?
A very special family recipe.
This is harder than it looks.
You're doing wonderfully, my dear.
Precision is key for perfect cookies.
I'll remember that, Mama.
Her recipe lives on, and so does her love.
Precision is key for perfect cookies.
I'll remember that, Mama.
Whisk, whisk, whisk. Faster.
That's the spirit, my little baker.
Smooth and even, just like a cloud.
This dough is so bouncy.
Getting it perfectly flat.
Perfect star for our cookies.
Beautifully done, little one.
My heart cookie for you. So cute, Moo Moo.
Careful now, they're delicate. Into the warmth they go. Soon, cookies, soon.
Are they ready yet, Mama? Almost. I can smell them.
Patience, my little ones. Success! Time for the grand reveal.
It smells like adventure.
This is our family's secret ingredient.
They smell absolutely divine.
Best smell ever.
This is the best cookie ever. So yummy. Thank you, Mama.
My pleasure, little ones.
This recipe is now yours to cherish.
I'll never forget this, Mama.
It's time for my new adventure.
We'll miss you so much, Mama.
Will you visit us often?
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, my sweet Ginger. Goodbye, my darlings. Be brave.
We will, Mama. We promise. We'll miss you.
New beginnings await.
Her recipe lives on, and so does her love.